Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to add music to your Roblox game. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So for that you need to enter into your Roblox studio. Over there you need to enter into your game, and at the right side you may see workspace. Just click the plus symbol and search for sound and add the sound on your workspace. Once you added your sound on your workspace, we need audio. For that you need to enter into your Roblox game and then more, and then just click create to navigate to your creator hub. So over there you need to click dashboard. On the dashboard you need to enter into the development item. And guys, I had uploaded a separate video how to add an audio over here, so please check into that video. So once you enter into the audio, you may see your uploaded audio over here. Just open asset detail. Yeah, over here you need to copy the number like 121. Just copy only the number in the URL and then enter into your Roblox studio. Over there in the sound, you need to click the property to get your property at the bottom, sound property. Over the sound property we need to paste the copied number over here, and then you need to hit enter to link the audio file in your game. So this is how we need to link our audio over here, and then you need to click loop and then played. uh, yeah, once you looped, that's it guys. Also you can create a server script like just click server script service and then hit the script. Over here please delete all the things and you need to type game.workspace.sound and then play, open and close bracket. You can add your script also. So once it's done, you can play your game. And now the audio is working. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.